Hello, my name is Mark Boice of Scare Shipless, SoCal, California. Welcome to Rides and Wrecks. What we have here is an open box. We just ordered a 1986 Mercedes 500 SL leather interior from German Auto Tops. The same as Eckler. I think Eckler is one of their distributors. We're going to open it up, see it, feel it, inspect it. Let's see if it's just like the original. So let's open box number one. Let's check it out. What's in here? Looks like the seat. Oh, leather. The smell of leather. Way better than Chanel number 5, ladies. Sorry. Oh, wow. This looks like it's the exact same. This is a European model, so the pattern on it is a little different than the American. Oh, the leather smell. Here's the headrest. Here's some extra material. This is vinyl. This looks like the armrest, the zipper. Just like the fact that color coded. I'm impressed so far. Oh, it has a little plastic clips just like the originals do. Oh, wow. I don't know. May have to take this home and put it in the house. It smells so incredible. Has all the little Velcro strips here. The back, let's see if this has the correct cardboard in it or not. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's get a close-up. So let's take a look. Here we go. Oh, this is just like the original. This comes down and around. It's fabric. It's got a little foam in there. Look at the leather. You can tell it's real leather. The grain, really nice, really nice. Has the correct cardboard on it. This tucks up underneath the seat. The pattern has little diamonds in it. And as I mentioned before, they're different for the Euro model Mercedes and the American made Mercedes. This is really impressive stuff right here. Here's the armrest, the zipper, the stitching. I'm quite impressed already. The grain, very nice. Here's our headrest. Looks like there may be a little glue or something right there. Probably wipe off with some WD-40. Little plastic strips. You just tuck those under after you get your headrest back in there. Everything's good and golden. Here's the vinyl piece. Matches pretty close to the original. You can tell it's vinyl. The back of it's cloth. You know what? Let's go to box number 2. Okay, so let's check out box number 2. Let's open it up. What's in here? What's in here? Huh, some strips. Oh boy. Oh, it's the back seat. This thing has a fold down back seat. This looks like, man, the leather smells so good in this thing. It has the original style zipper and everything on it. It's leather. Let's take a closer look at this, just because it smells good. So let's see, let's take a closer look. Has the correct diamond pattern in there. Yep, just like Euro cars had. It has the zipper. Look how nice the stitching is right in there. That's top notch. I mean, this is probably one of the best interior kits I've seen, especially in the Mercedes line. You can see that they're pleated just perfect right here. Just like the original. The zipper. The stitching is incredible. Yeah, this is a pretty nice kit. Let's open box number 3. So far, so good. You know what? Let's open box number 3. Everything is looking fantastic. Better than expected. What do we have here? Ooh, looks like some carpet. Wow. 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 This is incredible. You know what? Let's break it out. Let's check the binding and stuff. Let's see how really nice it is. So let's take a look at the stitching. Oh yeah. You know, this feels like a wool carpet. Has a really nice backing to it. It's sewn just like the factory original. Take a look at this piece. Yep. Nice stitching. It's nice and thin. Not real heavy, not real thick. Looks like it's pretty durable. And the stitching looks pretty nice. I don't see any misses in it anywhere. I'm sure there's some, maybe. Okay. So when it comes to the carpet kit in the American and European models, you need to make sure that you order the right one. Hey, you know what? German Auto Tops, they hooked us up. Shout out to John. Remember, the battery's in front, it's European. If the battery's in the trunk, it's American. I want to thank you for watching Rides and Wrecks, and remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tip tricks and some good smelling leather. Better than Chanel number 5. So on the German, start all over. Thank you for watching Rides and Wrecks, and stay tuned, and I just blew that. Start all over.